1. Wear a helmet. Wearing a motorcycle helmet is crucial and can save your life in case of an accident. Make sure it's approved and fits correctly.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
2. Wear protective gear. Along with a helmet, you should always wear protective gear such as leather or denim jackets, pants, gloves, and boots. This gear can protect you from serious injuries in the event of an accident.
Nice.
3. Follow traffic rules. Always obey traffic rules and signals. Adhere to the speed limit, stop signs, and red lights. 4. Maintain your motorcycle. Keep your motorcycle in good condition by regularly checking the tires, brakes, lights, and other important parts. Make sure to have it serviced regularly to prevent issues during your rides. 5. Stay alert and aware. Always be alert while driving. Be aware of your surroundings and anticipate any potential dangers. Avoid distractions such as using your phone or listening to music while driving.